Botbo acting up. Horses out here next. Big thing. Best to begin. Moving up on the outside. He's juggling actor. And 2 lengths for the back in turn. Botbo, Sant Anthony, and in the hay. Next big thing. Juggling is on the outside. Second. 3 lengths. So in third is Botbo in the hay. And Sant Anthony into the turn. They gallop. Now we have next. Big thing goes on by about 3 lengths. And juggling in second, 3 lengths for the back in third, Sant Anthony. Botbo is racing in fourth, and in the hay is racing in last. That's still next big thing by about 3 lengths. And juggling act now trying to get closer in second, Sant Anthony in third. Botbo now coming closer on the outside fourth, and in the hay. That's still next big thing by about 3 lengths. Juggling act remains in second, Botbo the outside. Down on the inside is Sant Anthony. Next big thing by about 2.5 lengths. Moving up on the outside now is Botbo, juggling up Sant Anthony. Next big thing still in front by the length. Moving up Botbo the outside. Botbo, next big thing is running by the Sant Anthony. Next big thing, Botbo is on the outside. Botbo, next big thing is running by the Botbo, next big thing, and finally it's Botbo. Next big thing in the hay, then comes Sant Anthony, juggling act.